for the long-range special operations role that the CV-22B model performs. With those rotors and those nacelles tilting. It's a joint venture between Bell and Boeing. Boeing builds the fuselage and all the subsystems, the digital avionics and the fly-by-wire control system. Bell produces the wing, the transmission, the empennage, the rotor systems, and does the engine installation. It first came into service in MV-22B form with the US Marine Corps. The first combat deployment of Marine Corps Ospreys took place to Iraq in 2007. Followed up by deploying to Afghanistan in November 2009, and a month later came the inaugural combat mission for the Osprey when Marines and troops were inserted by a Marine Osprey into a hostile zone in Helmand province. And Mark, you've got experience of the advantages in Afghanistan that the Osprey conferred as soon as it came into service there.
Yeah, absolutely. I did 1 year tour on the ground with US forces in Afghanistan. We were out around the country probably 2 or 3 days per week, and the initial mode of transport was the Black Hawk helicopter, which in itself is a relatively fast support helicopter. But about 3 months into the tour, the Osprey arrived, and what would normally have been a 2 to 3 hour transit turned into something that was about an hour to an hour and a half. So it made a significant difference. There's also a good force protection lesson there as well, because you spend less time exposed to small arms fire and in harm's way. And also this aircraft is very, very capable, even hot and high, climbing above 3,000 feet.
Model called Long Range Mystery. Interestingly, the pilot
is definitely determined to escape.
To assist in their low-level mission because in more restricted terrain, the rotors can be tilted upwards, the aircraft is slow, it can make tighter turns and stay lower over terrain. Flying above ground level. So that was the final pass by the Bell-Boeing CV-22B Osprey of the 7th Special Operations Squadron.